Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to view your Yahoo Mail storage capacity on a desktop. Monitoring your space ensures you manage your inbox effectively and prevents unexpected interruptions. Let's get started so you can stay on top of your account limits. Begin by signing into your Yahoo Mail account. If you aren't logged in yet, visit the Yahoo homepage, provide your email and password, and press the Sign In button. If you encounter trouble, double-check your login details. You might also need to complete a quick security verification using a code sent to your mobile device or secondary email. Once your inbox loads, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your browser window. This settings icon allows you to modify your account preferences. It might be small, so locate it carefully. Clicking this icon opens a menu where you can access various personalization features. From the drop-down menu, choose the More Settings option. This is essential for accessing advanced configurations beyond the basic layout. Selecting this will take you to a comprehensive overview page where you can adjust everything from filters to your general inbox appearance. On the left-hand navigation bar of the settings page, look through the list of categories. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Storage. This sidebar organizes all your account tools, making it simple to find specific data. Once you locate the storage area, you can see the full details of your account's capacity. In this area, you will see a clear breakdown of your current storage usage. It shows exactly how much space is occupied and how much room you have left. Checking this frequently prevents you from reaching your limit and missing out on incoming messages. Keeping track of these stats ensures your inbox remains functional and clutter-free. That is the easiest way to monitor your Yahoo Mail storage. Staying informed about your usage helps your account run perfectly without any surprises. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to watch for more practical guides.